Welcome back. We are now upgrading our thread communication mechanism. We will replace the inefficient polling method with the elegant and CPU-friendly wait and notify mechanism using the condition object. 1. Set up the shared condition. We define a new Boolean flag, data_ready, and, crucially, a shared threading.condition parenthesis object. The condition object inherently contains its own lock, which we will acquire using the with statement before accessing the shared data_ready flag. 2. The waiting consumer thread. The consumer task acquires the condition's lock. It then uses a while loop to check the state of data_ready. Since it starts as false, the consumer calls condition.wait parenthesis. The consumer thread immediately releases the lock and goes into a blocked state, consuming no CPU. It will remain asleep until another thread calls .notify parenthesis. 3. The notifying producer thread. The producer task runs for 3 seconds. Once ready, it enters the critical section using the with condition block. It sets data_ready to true and then calls condition.notify parenthesis. This wakes up the waiting consumer thread. The consumer then waits for the producer to exit the with block and release the lock before it can reacquire the lock and continue its execution. To summarize, the wait and notify mechanism is far superior to polling. Our next lecture 26.19, Queues and Thread Communication. See you there.